Introducing Cabin Master's stunning Marley Board clad garden rooms. Built to exacting standards, this 6 metre by 3.5 metre space offers impeccable quality without compromise, and as an added benefit, without any maintenance required, leaving you to entertain your guests or enjoy the space year-round for yourselves. Constructed using our innovative Marley Board, this man-made, hard-wearing and durable material is perfectly created to handle the great British weather. And as with every Cabin Master garden building, you'll find star quality throughout. In addition to a range of optional extras, and for added peace of mind, the Marley Board clad garden room comes with a comprehensive 10-year manufacturer's guarantee. And if you want to find out more, our doors are open. With a range of high-quality garden buildings, visit the Cabin Master show site just off junction 25 of the M1 and find your perfect space.